For this question, we are asked to solve the equation 9 to the power x plus 1 minus 3 to the power x plus 2 is equals to 2 bracket 3x plus 1 minus 2. Okay, first we write down the question. Alright, next, can you see that all my terms that have power x, I can actually change it to base 3. So 9, I can change it to 3 squared. Alright, so if I use the law of indices, I can multiply my 2 to my power over here to get 2x plus 2. As for my right hand side, I multiply my 2 into 3x plus 1 and to my negative 2 to get this term over here. Alright, so now I use my law of indices again to split this term into 2. Okay, so I have 3 to the power of 2x multiplied by 3 squared. Because it's a plus, I will change to multiply. 3 to the power of x multiplied by 3 squared, because this is 3 to the power x plus 2 again. So likewise, 3 to the power of x plus 1, I can split to 3 to the power of x multiplied by 3 to the power of 1. Okay, when you have an equation that involves 3 to the power of x and also 3 to the power of 2x, we have to do substitution. Okay, so we let 3x equals to y. Okay, what this implies is that your 3 to the power of 2x is actually y squared. So I do this substitution, 3 to the power of x equals to y and 3 to the power of 2x equals to y squared to this particular equation. I'll have y squared, because this is 3 to the power of 2x, multiplied by 3 squared, minus, this is 3 to the power of x, so I change to y, multiplied by 3 squared, is equals to 2 bracket, this is 3 to the power of x again, so I substitute by y, multiplied by 3 minus 4. So now this is my equation that I'm going to solve. Okay, and 3 squared is actually 9, so this is 9y squared minus 9y equals to 6y minus 4. This is in fact a quadratic equation. So I make my right hand side 0. Alright, so I simplify. To this extent. I can change it to the factorized form. You can actually see that your y is equals to 4 over 3 or y is equals to 1/3. Alright, so since the question wants us to solve for x, we substitute back again. 3 to the power of x is equals to y. So 3 to the power of x is equals to 4 over 3 or 3 to the power of x equals to 1/3. Okay, so for now, 3 to the power of x equals to 4 over 3, we cannot solve this because we cannot change 4 over 3 to base 3. So we have to use logarithm over here. This is actually the index form. So I change it to the logarithmic form. In order to use the calculator to solve for this, I have to change it to base 10, or you can change it to base e, is your choice. So I change it to base 10, so log base 10 4 over 3 divided by log base 3. Use your calculator, you get 0.262 in 3 significant figure. For the second answer, 3 to the power of x is equals to 1 over 3. Using your law of indices again, your 3 is like 1 over 3 is actually 3 to the power of negative 1. And when we compare the index here, since the base is the same, you can see that your x is equals to negative 1. So you have two answers over here, 0.262 and x is equals to negative 1.